So it's September 8th, daughter's birthday today. We celebrated yesterday. And my wife said, let's get all the canning stuff together and get it ready to go. And so we've got everything ready in the dining room. And she will start canning probably next weekend. So she said, why don't you get the medium-sized bowl and go into the garden and pick the Roma tomatoes, the San Marinos. So I thought, I thought that I think there's more than you think. So anyway, I went through the 18 plants. The ones in the back didn't grow very well. A lot of tomatoes in there because of the lilacs above. So that will have to be cut down. Anyway, those lilacs, some of the branches, so we get more light in that area for next year. Anyway, so I picked them. So there we go. So medium size, like you can see by my hand how big, how big this is. So there we go. So it's full. Now, if we look over to the garden again, hang on. So there are some orange, not perfectly red. Well, now I see a red way over there. I missed, so I'll have to grab that. So there's a few of them that were on the ground down back over there that were, of course, eaten by slugs. So yeah, that's what we got going here. Yeah. So this is part 1 of harvest. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.